I really needed a new office space. It turned into the overflow room for the rest of the house. So this is my before footage. I know it's hideous. Don't judge me. This is one of the darkest rooms in the house. I don't get a lot of sunlight in, and then especially during the winter when it's all gray and white outside, this blue just sucked the life out of me. So I needed something new. So we started out with an appropriate room color, and we went with orange, and we painted my very own sun on the wall, and I love it. We used matte coloring, and we used a wet rag to smear the paint around for a more clay look so it doesn't seem so flat. Well, then we went in with a dry brush afterwards to fill in any color that we wanted and even out the circle. Next, we hung curtains for both blackout lighting and to help a little bit with the sound reduction. Then we hung the backdrop, and this is just a gray paper backdrop that I got off of Amazon. Stuck a wooden dowel through it, hung some hooks, and now I can pull it down and record in front of it. Then we hung the lamps in the corner. Lighting is crucial for everything. So we got 3 lamps with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connection light bulbs from IKEA that allows all of the lights to sync up together so I can increase the intensity of the light and decrease it and change the color spectrum of it. Then we slowly started to bring in items. I like things to be minimal and clean and have a nice energy to it. And I have so many little gadgets and widgets and bibs and bobs that I wanted to be able to put them away into boxes where you can't see them until I need them. My husband built me a beautiful shelf that I can put these beautiful baskets on. And here is the beautiful new office space. It has 3 different faces to it. I can use it for 3 different purposes. And the first one is that it is a bright office workspace. I can open up the windows, turn on the lights. I have lights everywhere now. If I want to recharge and kind of ground myself and reset my energy, I can turn it into a meditation yoga space by dimming these beautiful lights and clearing out the space and closing the curtains and just lying down and relaxing. And the third use for this space is I have a backdrop that I can pull down and use to do on-film auditions, or if there's something that I want to film that requires a backdrop and nice lighting with these softbox lights, then I can also do that. So I'm very proud of this space. So I look forward to your thoughts. Ask me any questions if you have any, and I will see you guys next time.